water, earth, fire, air. Long ago, just kidding, this is an avatar, but these elements will be part of our topic today. My name is Kimberly Gonzalez, and today we're going to talk about biodiversity loss. Today's world is burning, that we know. Our oceans are more plastic than water, and an estimated 17 species go extinct every day. Biodiversity loss is something everybody has to start taking more seriously. Granted, we are not the only issue, but we do play a big part in it. Above all contributing factors, agriculture is the main reason for rapid habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. Not only does it change natural habitats for human use, but it also releases pollutants, chemicals, and more into our soils and into our waters. We as humans need to learn the meaning of sustainability. The rate at which we consume products is far too high. According to the USDA, 30 to 40% of our food go to waste every year. We take so much of this planet just to let it rot in the end, and let's not even talk about our meat and dairy production. With the loss of biodiversity, also comes the loss of pollinators and natural pest controls. This means a loss of healthy crops and products that we consumers need. With this being said, I don't mean to say that you can't have a steak for dinner every Friday, or that you shouldn't continue to support farmers. What I'm saying is that there's a limit to everything, and in the end, I would prefer our land to look like this, instead of like this. To combat these issues, I believe more research can be put into alternative foods. Basically, we utilize 7,000 kinds of plants for food. Sounds like a lot, right? Well, there are at least 75,000 more we can consume. We can learn to harvest these sustainably from the land instead of plowing more fields for wheat or corn. Likewise, we can support ethical farmers instead of large corporations which take an insurmountable amount of land to produce food which we will most likely be putting to waste. What I mean to say is, buy what you need. That's it. There are no tricks to living sustainably. It's not difficult, just don't go to the grocery store when you're hungry. Thank you for listening to me today, and I hope we can all leave with a desire to help sustain our world's biodiversity, even by changing the little things in your life.